Magma comes out, which is called lava. It cools down by leaving the surface, which turns into igneous rocks formed from magma. It goes into water for having those bubbles in the rocks. For example, there are two types of igneous rocks. They are intrusive, that are inside the earth, and extrusive, that are outside the earth. Intrusive rocks, such as basaltic, have holes in it. Also, extrusive has pumice and is very light, and it can float on water.
The igneous rocks break down into sediments, which is formed into sedimentary rock by weathering, erosion, compaction, and sedimentation. For example, like conglomerate rocks, they're formed by weathering, erosion, compaction, and sedimentation. And they're compacted together to make metamorphic rock.
Major pressure and major temperature of sedimentary rocks turn into metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks have crystal and nitrogen patterns. Foliated and non-foliated. Foliated is parallel layers known as layering that doesn't occur. Foliated. A type of foliated is gneiss, and a type of non-foliated is marble. The metamorphic rocks are melted into magma. Matter is not created or destroyed. It will stay the same even though it goes through all the changes of magma to magma.
It's a real get live, it's a natural high with the sound I provide. I stay fly cause I know the time. Why? I got a style that I know is mine. I'm one of